Halo guys, selamat datang di channel Influencer Indonesia. Sebelum kita mulai videonya, jangan lupa klik tombol subscribe dan bunyikan loncengnya, serta jangan lupa klik tombol like dan komennya. Yuk kita mulai videonya.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Toni for 12 for SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get laid. Give me some. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage, yeah.
Hey everyone, so this is hip sway tutorial for you all. Just move your lower body, your hips only. No upper body, just your hips, lower body, slowly. Right, left, little bit front and back. And then use your upper body too. Like you want to do like body wave. And just slide left and right. Yep, just like that. And then now lift your knee too. So you can do whatever with your hands. Yep. Right, left. This is what it looks like from the side. And you can do it just the lower body. Just like that. Yep, good luck.
Kalau ku pandang kelip bintang menjauh di sana, saya ku dengar melodi cinta yang menggema. Jiwa mudaku kan tersentuh warna lalu semadu kopi dangdut. Abang jago, sorry bang jago, ampun bang jago. Bang Jago.